High skill guys, today we have indicator like this. This is Cardinal, model is 205. We have a brand new platform and we need to calibrate this indicator. And to calibrate you need to unscrew this bolt from the back of the indicator. And you have hole here. We push the button inside with the screwdriver and now we are in the stop mode. And now we press Terra button. We can see USA. We press Terra button. It says no. We can change it to yes, but we in Canada we don't need USA. So we press Terra. Legal for trade, yes. Units, we don't need to change anything of this. Decimal point, 1 decimal point, capacity. Unit, secondary units, Terra. So we don't need anything of this. We go just to Cal2 and press Terra button and press Terra up to make it yes and press Terra button to confirm. Now Cal first. This is like zero calibration. We put 0 here, nothing on the scales, and we press Terra button. And now it's calibrating 0. Zero calibration down. Now we will put 500 kg here. By pressing units I go to the left, and then by pressing arrow up I have 500 kg here, and I have 500 kg here. Now I need to put 500. So I will put 500 in the middle. Good enough. Remove the hook. Put it up. And now I press Terra button. Now it's calibrating 500. And now calibration is done. We don't need to change anything else, so we just press arrow up button. One more time, one more time, one more time. And we have 500 kgs here and 500 kgs here. So that's all, calibration done. Thanks for watching, guys.